I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet, set by the river, and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and tired, something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and dying, somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of a